So OPHIUCHUS, this is your channel messages for the 19th of May. OPHIUCHUS, let us see what is in your messages for today. I'm cleaning up off Capricorn's reading. Let's go ahead and see what's in your messages. Do I have messages for you? Yes, I do. OPHIUCHUS, the healer, the bald-headed man. You're gonna Turkey, go to hair implant. Sir, you're 40. Your life's soon done. And I'm so sorry that there's more hair on your balls than your head. But sir, nothing wrong with bald-headed guys. Like, what the fuck? You're as a bald-headed man going to Turkey for hair implantation is as insecure as a fucking man with gray hair dyeing it with black box dye. The fuck you fooling? Who the fuck you trying to fool? Anyways, I'm getting something about the cross placement. The placement of the cross. This message was sponsored by Bill Blair. Bill Blair wants to make sure that all Canadians, especially people in the Scarborough Southwest region, feels protected, especially by the cross. Okay? So I'm getting some about the cross placement. You have a cross in your house? Okay, great. Now the problem is, where is the cross? So you can listen or you can reject. It's really up to you. You don't put a cross over your bed. That's the first thing. You never put a cross over your bed. And I don't understand why. Okay, so crosses are usually used for the entrance of doors. Remember, the cross is supposed to protect you. So you're telling me the cross will protect you, right? Listen to this shit. You have a cross in your house that's supposed to protect you from demons and evil entities, and a cross over your bed. So you telling me you met the demon? This is why you met the demon, though. Oh my God, there's a cross over his bed. Let me just go on the bed. Maybe I should go here. Maybe I should go over here a little bit. You can't put a cross over your bed. The cross is supposed to protect you from evil entities. Why would you make the demon come in your room, come in your bed, and see the cross over your bed and then say, oh, the cross was supposed to be at your door? Also, you do not place crosses in anywhere that there's a reflection. So if you're in your house and there's a cross on your wall, it cannot be in the peripheral vision of a mirror. You cannot do that. I'm getting something about the cross. If the cross is over your bed, you can believe me or not. Can believe me or can believe the Bible. This is very serious accusations. The cross can't be over your bed. It has to be at your door. You never know that? The cross has to be on your door or right at the door. You can't have a cross over your bed. You're fucking mad. Now, usually when the cross is right side up, you're protecting yourself from any type of evil entities and demons. This is not a dream catcher. You have to remember, a dream catcher goes directly over your head or directly over your bed, because the dream catcher is supposed to catch your dreams. Ask the natives about it. The cross is here for protect. Why did I make the demon come into your room, come go into your fridge, and then the cross over your bed? You make the demon come all the way into your house, then protect yourself? That makes sense? Wait. So that don't make no sense. So that's first thing me getting something about you have a cross. You can't. Okay, you have the cross on your nightstand. Are you waiting for the demon to come in your bedroom and then you take up the cross and use it like a knife? Why you make the demon come so far? So you don't know how to use your is it Christianity, the Vatican, Pope Francis, Pope Wellet? You don't know how to use your sacred items for protection. You just have it in your house pretending that you're a holy man. You know nothing about this. Now, when the cross is upside down, you're inviting demons. You invite them. You tell them, say, you're welcome here, come in. The cross is upside down. We shall not punish any demon who come into the room, whether they want to possess me or give me messages. We don't care. We will not punish you. We will not out you. Because Jesus Christ, who was trying to serve and protect, was slaughtered by his own people. Therefore, we do not take sacrifices for interactions with demons. So I'm getting something about the cross placement. Where is the cross located? I don't know if you only have one. You need to know about these things. That's why somebody, and I don't know if somebody I give one statue, I'm getting something about a statue. Now, I know that when somebody give you a statue, it usually means it's a hit. You see, if a man, if you're going to one man house, or you're going to one woman house and you see not like a statue, the statue may be under a stool. You might look on a stool somebody have, and when you look under the stool, you're gonna see one face. You're gonna see one statue. It's a hit. Somebody give you a statue, them give you 2 statues, a hit is out on your parents. Somebody give you 1 statue. Do not take statues from people. Usually when you take the statue, it's a hit out on you. I don't know if you know this. It's a dark web shit. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're getting something about the cross placement. The Bible. Bible. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I didn't feel like those were the cards to select. Let's go. We have the Queen of Cups coming out first. Okay, so we're talking about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. I'm not sure if this is a woman, a holy woman. Okay. Yeah. If you are a believer, you can believe the Bible, or you can believe what the fuck I'm telling you about the Bible. You can't have the cross over your bed. You're fucking mad. And are you fucking in that bed? So you have a cross over your bed and you have one man, you and this man is fucking right under the cross. That sound, you're fucking right beside the Bible. That sound real to you? You bring this dollar whore into your blood clot apartment where it's supposed to be sacred, and you have your little nightstand full of Bible things and cross, but you fuck her beside the bed. That makes sense to you? This is why we have to differentiate the sheep from the wolves. You understand now? You get it? You get it why I am so passionate about what I do? Because I know what people do not do. We're getting a Queen of Cups. You're fucking on the bed? Because I'm getting you fuck over the cross. You fuck underneath the cross. And God knows if the man is fucking you right and him lick off the cross off of the fucking wall. Jesus can't help that say. We have the Hermit, yeah. The cross is supposed to protect you from a ghost. Why would you put the cross in your, why you never put the cross at your entrance or your door? To protect the ghost. So when people come at your house, as them take off them shoes, or as them come in, them feel sick and run out. You wait until it's in your room. So your whole other places. This could be something about, is there any type of, beginning, what is in your house to protect you? You can't have a cross in your house to protect you, but you don't do protection rituals. That don't make sense. Remember, Jesus was sacrificed on a cross. Blood was shed. You cannot have a cross in your house and you're not shedding no blood. You have to understand what the potency is of having things in your house. That's why you're a devoted Christian with that cross, with the Bible, and you struggle. And you struggle and you beg God to find a way out. You need to sacrifice. Either the man who will make a blood clot struggle or sacrifice something else. The whole story about the Bible was making a sacrifice. I could be very wrong, but I think the whole story about the Jews was escaping exile from now the Jews have them reasons for whatever the fuck them did why Hitler never liked them, but their story was escaping exile. It wasn't about sacrificing a blood clot man for your sins. Jewish people not going to tell other Jews that. Yeah, so that's why the Jews, you ever see no fucking Jews talking about Jewish lives matter? Huh? And then black people and white people were so upset with each other because of the Black Lives Matter movement. They wanted to start a White Lives Matter movement. Nigga, we know your motherfucking white life matter. I married a white man. Your life must have mattered. Okay? Yeah, they must sacrifice their own kind. Black Lives Matter. Like Jesus. Jews don't go around and tell them so-called 13-year-old fresh bar mitzvah men that you have to sacrifice. You must make a sacrifice. No, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. No. Their story was keeping the secret among them, and their story was escaping exile from a very evil man. That's a Jewish story. The Christian story talks about a very, very, very good man who was so humble, getting sacrificed for your sins. And don't ask me about, when you talk about the nation of Islam, no, not the nation. Okay, Muslim, is Muslim and Islam the same thing? No, it's not that. You can just say Muslim. Can I just say that? When you talk about those things now, when you talk about the Quran, I don't know what Allah tell you for though. But all I know, once I saw the 2 wives, I backed out. I was like, I don't want to know what Allah wants me to do. Because Buddha wants me to sit down and shut the fuck up. So I don't know what the fuck Allah wants me to do. 2 wives? The fuck, bitch. Anyways, yeah. I'm getting something about is a ghost following you? Is this Ariana Grande? Ariana Grande is a clothing man following you? One man, him clothed. You see, the next time you see the shadow, I want you to talk to the shadow. Talk to him like he's a normal person. You hear? Ariana Grande, you in your bed and you see a shadow? Talk to him normal. Just talk to it. Talk to it. It might scare you. Just talk to it normal. Okay? Ask it how it there was. Ask it what it wants. It might even move. It might move. It not gonna talk to you. I'm getting something about one man, one clothed man who will watch you. This ghost. Now, I don't know if something has been put on you by your ancestors. I don't know if somebody in your family, a Virgo in your family, I try to contact you. We have the 8, yeah, see? I'm getting a feel, I'm getting something about this man, this Virgo, this clothed man will follow you. I'm getting a need. I'm getting somebody have a walking stick. The walking stick. I'm getting a walking stick. You know, I believe that is a really good protection for old people. The walking stick. That walking stick what old people have, that is them wand. That is them protection. Something about the staff. Me getting you need something for protecting in your house. You need something. It can be a staff, it can be a wand. I would not tell you to get a cross if you don't believe in the word of God. If you don't believe in the Bible, don't believe in the Bible, you fornicate. You do everything out of sin, but you have cross in your house. Remember, in the story of the Bible, the pharaohs were plagued. Remember, the pharaohs get plagued with frogs. All the pharaohs' firstborns were taken. You still can't get plagued if you play with God. You can't mock him that way. We have the 4 of one. Yeah, me getting your house. Something about your house. Me getting one ghost in your house, first of all. I know. Good morning. Are you okay? If you need anything, let me know. There's a ghost in your house. No, I don't know if it's a ghost, it's a demon, it's an entity, or it's an angel. It's different. If a ghost is lingering around you, a pastor is not who you go to. You need to find out why the ghost attached itself to you. Maybe the ghost came with the house. Maybe the ghost is trying to tell you something. Maybe the ghost body has not been discovered and the ghost are trying to tell you, look here, my body is here. When it's a entity like the exorcism of Emily Rose, then you call you call a priest. You don't even call a pastor. You call a priest who specializes with demonology. Sometimes the demons will knock over shit in your house periodically. Sometimes the demon them will do it all the time. Sometimes the demon them will possess you. You call a high priest for that. You don't call a pastor for that. You call a pastor for witchcraft, but you call a high priest for demonic possessions. Me getting something about this man. Maybe the man don't. Me getting one ghost where you live with him. Not like when you leave the house. Him don't like it. Him want you stay home. The ghost don't like when you leave. You leave him lonely. Queen of Cups is clarified by the 5 of Swords. Me getting something about the ghost of a man who you did something. Is this Macklemore? Me getting you feel, before somebody died, you feel very guilty. Me getting one ghost around you. The Hermit card is clarified by the Hangman. Can me getting the ghost now lick over nothing. The ghost might be the little things around you for sure it's there or you feel the presence. Me getting you need to talk to it. The ghost want to talk to you. Talk to the ghost. Talk to it. You hear one sound, talk to the ghost. Talk to the ghost like it's a normal. Black people talk to them animals like humans all the time. Talk to the ghost. Me getting the ghost want you acknowledge him. But you're scared as fuck. Duh, is a ghost. The Eight of Swords is clarified by the Ace of, Eight of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Swords. Have you tried that? Can me getting your pray, you do this, you do everything and you feel stuck. Have you tried acknowledging the fact that the ghost is there? And maybe the ghost, it could be a friendly ghost like Casper. Maybe a friendly ghost. It could be a ghost that's not racist. Imagine if the ghost of a KKK member was haunting you. Why the fuck would a KKK member ghost want to talk to you? You're a nigga. Maybe because at the end of this KKK member's life, he felt very bad for hanging niggas. Could be that. Because the clothing man, that could be like a KKK member. You know, one cloak. I'm getting the ghost of a very, very famous KKK member is stalking you. They like you, or they like what you stand for, or someone saying, you see, if you was white, you'd have fit in perfectly. The Four of Wands is clarified by, and remember the KKK burn you upon a cross. You have to remember this. So while they have the cross to protect, while they use a cross on somebody's face, while they're telling people that if you don't believe in the cross, you use a devil, the KKK burn on a cross. They don't burn on an X. They don't build an X structure and burn you on. Them burn you upon one blood clot cross. Burn you up on a cross, bitch. Not laying down, bitch. They don't burn you up on a fucking pot cooking you. They burn you up on the same blood clot cross where them crucified Jesus Christ on. So why would I use a cross to protect me? Do you see how weird this could be? You see, right? One more. Four of Wands is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. We're getting the ghosts want you to live alone. The ghosts, I don't know what this ghost want from you. I'm getting something about acknowledgement. I'm getting the ghost that try to tell you something. I don't know what the ghost is trying to tell you. Is it your mother? Your mother? Me getting the ghost that try to tell you something about this woman. One more. The Six of, somebody did pass away. Me don't know if they pass away in them sleep. Me getting the ghost that try to tell you something. Me getting you have to talk to it. You have to talk to it, girl. Guy, you have to talk to it. I don't know if ghosts affect you. I don't know what you do to somebody. Let's go. We have shark. We have illness. You come and get to hear voices. Well, might as well you play along with the fucking schizophrenia. Might as well you fucking play along with it. Shit. We have earth. We have Leo. We have 3. And we also have 5. 3 and 5 is 8. Something about a Leo number 8. A Leo number 8. Okay? Somebody could be Leo Sun, Capricorn Moon, Leo Sun, Taurus Moon, Leo Sun, Virgo Moon. Am I getting, the ghost could be the ghost of a Leo? A Leo number 5, a Leo number 3, or a Leo number 8. I'm getting the ghost is a Leo. Hold on. I'm getting something about here. Leo placement, a Leo. Something about a Leo. I'm going to leave it here, OPHIUCHUS. Until next time, goodbye.